Hey everybody, this is Mr. Miller here, and this video is for Friday the 17th of April. This is Regents U.S. history. So a couple things that I want to mention today. So we've got just a lot of work that needs to be turned in here. Hopefully you've been working diligently on these things. So these assignments need to be turned in relatively soon. By tomorrow really is the due date. So I will run down the list of things, and today is going to be a catch-up day so you can make up any missed work that you need to make up, any work that you have yet to do. So hopefully you can go ahead and do that and turn those things in. So let me go through what you need to turn in. First and foremost, you need to turn in the DBQ work from last week. So documents 1 through 3, documents 4, 5, and 6, documents 7, 8, and 9, and then the final DBQ final prompt is what it was called. So those four assignments, those 4 Google Forms need to be filled out and completed and turned in, and those are going in as a big part of the grade, as a test grade. So that needs to be done. So that was all last week, and those are due tomorrow at the end of the night. So at 11:59 p.m. on Saturday is when they're due. Also, all the work from this week is due as well. So on Monday we had the using the atomic bombs, were they necessary work, where we read 4 documents. You read those documents, answered the questions that followed, as well as the final prompt where you had to kind of take a stance and say, yes, they were justified, they were necessary, or no, the atomic bombs were not necessary. So you had to take that stance. On Tuesday and Wednesday, you guys went ahead and worked on topic 15 homework, which should be sent to me or also just dropped into, I think it was put on Google Classroom, that you should put that on there as well. So, or put that on there if you didn't email it to me or message or share it with me. So both the using the atomic bombs and the topic 15 homework, those are both due by tomorrow at the end of the day. And yesterday, if you tuned in, which I hope you did, you saw some notes, you watched a notes video, and then there were 2 essential questions to answer at the end of that notes video. So you should have gone ahead and answered those questions and submitted that to me. So that also is due on Saturday night. I think that's all that there is. I say that like there's not a lot, but there was a lot. However, we did work on stuff last week, and I gave you some extra time, so now is the time where that stuff kind of needs to be getting done. So we've got stuff from last week, stuff from this week, and all that stuff needs to be done by the end of the night tomorrow, by 11:59 p.m. on Saturday. Okay, I think that's all I've got. We'll be back on Monday with some new notes in topic 15. So I guess be ready for that, and we'll go forward from there. So I will sign off here and let you go ahead and get working on whatever you need to work on to turn in to me. If you turned in everything, good job, you're all done. So otherwise, you should work on something. Okay, that's all I've got. I'll see you guys on Monday. Take care.